structure member used to support the end of the rafter at the ridge. Transferring its load to post or gable and wall. Ridge beams are required by code if the roof slope is less than 3 in 12.
Common rafter without collar beam for most of this roof. There is not always a rise above off beam where the rafter top meet. Under the midline section of the rafter, a pulling which support the common rafter and a support by visible rafter.
Rafter is one of a series of slope structure members that extend from the ridge or hip to the wall plate, downslope perimeter or eaves, and that are designed to support the roof that and its associated load. Pair of rafter is called a couple. Do you know what couple? In home construction, rafters are normally made of wood. Exposed rafters are a feature of some traditional roof types.
Purlin. Purlin is a horizontal piece of timber which supports the roof rafters or decking and helps. Purlin are located side by side on the right side and on the left side of the roof structure. It is important to support the roof structure.